In this video, we will learn what fraction is halfway between 1 half and 2/3. We know that if we are given two numbers a and b, then the number a plus b divided by 2 is the halfway between a and b. Now see that we have a is equal to 1 half and b is equal to 2/3. Therefore, the number which is halfway between 1 half and 2/3 is equal to 1 half plus 2/3. This is A and this is B divided by 2. Now we will simplify this fraction. Now we will make both the denominators 6 because 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. We will multiply the top by 3 for the first fraction, and for the second fraction we will multiply both the top and the bottom by 2. Now simplifying again, we get 3 divided by 6 plus 4 divided by 6 whole divided by 2. Simplifying, we have 3 plus 4 divided by 6 whole divided by 2. And simplifying again, we get 7 over 6 whole divided by 2, and this is same as 7 over 6 times 1 over 2, which is same as 7 over 12. Therefore, the number 7 over 12 is the halfway between 1 half and 2/3, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.